Morning, YouTube guys. Yes, my family uses the back of my old truck to throw their junk in. Hopefully that'll stop when it's driving. Wanted you to see, my son helped me. We got the driver's door put on. So, yep, it's beautiful, beautiful out today. There's where she stands. Gonna be an awesome day today. It's like 65. Trash. The old neighborhood. Looks a little rough out with no green on the trees, but you can see back in the distance there, a tornado came through that area and tore all the trees up, so it looks kind of jagged. Yep. Got the door back on the driver's side. I like it. I like it. Have a good one.